Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Going to do another video today. Get my paper towel out of the way. Today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas, and I'm going to be making an American flag. I did one and it sold, and I haven't done another one to replace it, so I think I'll do that today. And I'm going to show you the flower, or half flower from my last video. For the first time doing it, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll have to try another one with different colors maybe, and make the center maybe a little bit smaller, but I like it. So there's that. And we'll just get right into this one. I hope everybody is doing well. Okay, so I just got 3 colors, of course. Red, white, and blue. Oops. And this is Artist Loft Brilliant Red. Make sure we got you all in frame here. And I'm going to start down at the bottom. I'm going to try and get all the lines that I'm supposed to have in here. But we'll see how it goes. Get the edges. And we know this is abstract art, so it won't be perfect. Let's see, I need a little things to swipe them with, I think, to get them over the edges and stuff. Let's see what we can do with this. And then get the canvas showing like I always do. I'm not going to worry too much about the edges because I can do that. I can fix it up afterwards and it won't be that long of a video. I got my white. Got it in a cup, and I don't know how this is going to work because it's pretty darn full. I wanted to make sure I had enough. I'm not sure how many stripes I go before I should have looked better, because I looked at the flag, a picture of the flag, before I started. I don't know how many lines I take before the blue comes into play. I should have looked better. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to go to the shorter ones so the blue can go in for the stars. I've got a dog hair. At least I got it out beforehand. I hope I have enough white paint. going to be stretching it pretty. It's going to be stretching it, that's for sure. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be stretching the white paint. Thought I made enough. There we go, just enough. And then here's the blue. I think my white and my red has come down some. Let's see if we can move it a little bit. That the blue won't intermingle. Let's see, get this white off. And this blue is left over from another pour, and I might have had silicone in it. I hope it doesn't make a mess out of it. All right, how about that? I'm going to wait to put my stars on after it dries. They're much easier to put on and it looks much better. Let's get this fixed up. There's no canvas in between the stripes. Here we go. Stick wiped off. I might have to make some extra paint to get the sides made. Get the sides done up. I need a little bit down here with the white. I think I've got it covered pretty well. But for the sides and look right here. I got a new torch this weekend. How about that? And I think the blue did have some silicone in it, so but that's all right. We'll worry about that later. I guess how about that? Be a little close up. I'll get the sides afterwards. But I think that looks all right. I'll worry about my sides and I'll get the stars on after it dries, because it'll be better that way. So thank you for watching. This is a short video. It doesn't take much. I hope you like it. Please share with your family and friends. This one will be coming out before Christmas. So I hope everybody is having a good holiday. The time before the holidays. Shop carefully, please. I know they say to wear your mask, so I hope everyone's being safe. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. share with your family and friends. Please leave me a comment if there's anything you want me to do or anything you want to see. And as always, please have a great day.